There's nothing cuter than a pile of penguins. You can easily make these with pipe cleaners and a few simple supplies, so you won't want to stop at just one. For this project, you will need 3 black pipe cleaners, 1 orange pipe cleaner, 1 white pipe cleaner, fingernail clippers or wire cutters, white craft glue, googly eyes, and a pencil. Take the body of the penguin, hold one of the black pipe cleaners against a pencil at the very end, and coil it around one coil right next to the other one. Keep it loose, it doesn't need to be very tight. Take a second black pipe cleaner, start at the bottom, and coil it right on top of the last one, again keeping it loose. Do it all the way up until about the top 3 coils. The very top of the first coil is going to be the head of the penguin, and the rest is the body, so it's nice that it's a little bit thicker. When you're done with that, slide it off the end of the pencil and set it aside. To make the white part of the penguin's belly, clip a white pipe cleaner in half. Bend back a tail of about 1/2 inch at the top. Then zigzag the pipe cleaner back and forth. You want it to be in about a 1/4 inch increments, but it's not important to be exact. At the very end, leave a little tail left over and bend it towards the back. So this is what your piece is going to look like. To attach the white part to the body, separate those top 3 coils that are going to be the head of the penguin up out of the way. Then with the longer tail that you started with, insert that into the body. Then at the bottom, slip that smaller tail between the coils to keep it in place. To make the feet and beak of the penguin, clip an orange pipe cleaner in half. Bend it in half and make the point very sharp at the bottom because that's going to be your beak. Coil up each end of the pipe cleaner 2 or 3 times to make the feet. Then bend the feet up so the penguin can stand. Insert the beak and feet into the body coil. The beak should come out between the head and the body. Fold the beak down so it sticks straight out, like so. Next, we're going to make the wings by clipping a black pipe cleaner in half. Insert this pipe cleaner underneath the beak of the penguin and make sure it's exactly in the middle. On one side, bend the end of the pipe cleaner in about 1/3 of the way. Repeat to form the wing. Then make the end of the wing a little bit pointy and bend it down and then up a little bit. Do the same thing for the other side, about 1/3 of the way in, repeat, make the end of the wing a little pointy, and bend it into place. Take the very top coil on the penguin's head and tuck it into the top and shape the head to make it more round. The last thing to do is to glue on the eyes. Use a thick white craft glue and stick on the eyes. Don't worry if you have a little bit of extra glue, it will dry clear. When the glue is completely dry, your penguin is finished and you can start making him some Arctic friends.